Hi boys and girls, today we're going to look at nouns and we'll do a quick review of what a noun is and then we'll talk about the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. So let's get started. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So it can be any of those three things. And a common noun is any person, place, or thing that begins with a lowercase letter. So it's not the name of anything in particular. It's just a person, a place, or a thing. So some examples as you see here are store, car, teacher, day, team, month, friend, state, and dog. So these are common nouns. If you were using these in your writing, you would not capitalize them. Now if you're using the name of a particular store, like Walmart, that is what is called a proper noun. So a proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. So that means it is the name of a person, a place, or a thing. And you would start that word with a capital letter in your writing. So for example, Walmart, Honda, Mrs. Cornwell, Great Dane, Sunday, Gators, like the Florida Gators, Florida, June, and Jill. So those are all proper nouns, and if you're writing those in your stories, the names of specific people or places or things, you're going to capitalize them. Okay, so now we're going to do a little activity. We'll do a sort of common nouns and proper nouns. So remember, the common nouns are just general things. So if I say shoe or cup or teacher or school, those are all common nouns. If I say the name of specific things, that's going to be your proper nouns. So if I say O'Charlie's or Publix or Mrs. Wilson, those would all be capitalized. Okay? So I'm going to hold a word up and I want you to think about it and tell yourself, is it going to be a common noun or a proper noun? And I'll put it in the right place and you can check yourself. Okay? So the first one is president. Is that going to be common or proper? All right, that's going to be common because it's not the name of a president, it's just saying president. All right. What about game? Do you think it's going to be common or proper? It's going to be common. If it was the name of a game like Monopoly or Chutes and Ladders, it would be capitalized. So that would be the proper noun. But if it's just game, it's going to be common. Abraham Lincoln. Common or proper? Good job. That is going to be a proper noun. That's the name of one of our presidents that we've had. Okay. Disney World. One of my favorite places to go. Is that going to be common or proper? Proper. Good job. Disney World is the name of a place, so it is going to be proper. All right. Girl. Common or proper? Common. We didn't say anyone's name, we just said girl. How about Neptune? So if you haven't heard of that, Neptune is the name of a planet. So since it's the name of a planet, it's going to be a proper noun. All right. Josh. Common or proper? Proper. It's a boy's name. Okay, soda. Common or proper? That's going to be common. If I said this a type of soda like Coke or Dr. Pepper, that would be a proper noun. All right. Store. Common or proper? Common. Good job. Singer. Common or proper? Common. Good job. How about Coke? Like Coca-Cola. That's going to be proper. It's the name of a type of soda, like I mentioned earlier. All right. Target. This would be the store Target. Common or proper? That's going to be proper. It's the name of a specific store. Car. Common or proper? Common. As you notice, the common nouns are starting with a lowercase letter. The proper nouns are starting with an uppercase letter. Ooh, I wonder how many of you guys know who she is. Selena Gomez. Common noun or proper noun? Proper noun. That is the name of a singer. Houston. Even if you didn't know what Houston was, you could look at the first letter and see that that is a proper noun. It's the name of a city in Texas. Couple more. We have boy. Common or proper? Common. All right, how about Brittany? It's going to be proper. It's a girl's name. Theme park. Common or proper? That's going to be common. Like we had Disney World earlier, so since Disney World was the name of a theme park, we had that in proper nouns. But if you just say theme park, it's going to be common. Good job, guys. Y'all did a great job today.